Hey guys, Jim again from IAG and welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 of our fender transformation on our brand new WRX. So we're gonna be heading back over to the body shop, see what kind of progress they've made. Plus, we have something a little special for you once we get there. Let's check it out. All right, so we just showed up to the body shop, but I do want to show you something real quick. Caught my eye. Look at this. A little bit of RA action. Flat black. That looks pretty cool. But that's not why we're here. Nice bike too, cool. What's up, Mike? How you doing, man?
Good, buddy. How are you, sir?
I'm hanging in there. Y'all jamming today. All right, let's take a look at some of the progress. Looks like we got the grill out. Looks like we got all the flares off the side and front. What's up, Dave?
Started.
What's good with you, man?
Started. Sanding.
Sanding?
Sanding and sanding.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Take a look around. I see some progress over here. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Oh look, here's the vent pieces. That's a whole separate piece. So keep that in mind, guys. That's not just the little tiny vents here. It's a whole separate piece behind the flare. Show you, the other half is right here. So that little tiny vent is the whole length of this bad boy. So something else we noticed, that the auxiliary light hole back there on the new bumper looks strangely like the auxiliary light hole on the back of these. So let's give that a shot, see if that works. Okay, so to give you a little bit better idea of what we're doing, anything that has the black honeycomb is going to get painted the same color as the body. But for things like the rear bumper, where we've got a two-tone of honeycomb and smooth black, everything that's smooth is going to get painted just black. Maybe gloss black, maybe metallic black, not exactly sure yet. But anything with the honeycomb is definitely getting painted the same color as the body. But like I said, we have something special we're gonna do for you today. A little birdie told me that the IAG pitch stop mount is the same part number for the VB chassis as it is the VA chassis. So we're gonna throw one of these on for you today. Check it out. That was pretty easy. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, it's confirmed. It's the same pitch stop mount. Wow, what was that, like 10 minutes? Man, that was nothing. So I would say that's a pretty successful trip. We got to check out all the sanding and prepping today to make room for all of the priming and painting tomorrow morning. Plus, we confirmed the fitment of the VA chassis pitch stop mount on this VB chassis. So that's pretty cool, and that makes it available right now on the website. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know about super cool content just like this. We'll catch you on the next one. Gotta get that refresher.